Hi, this is Mike, president of Lincoln Landscaping, and we're in Ridgewood, New Jersey on a small baseball field at George Washington School, again located in Ridgewood, New Jersey. It was a construction site. There is so much construction debris buried on the field: tire rims, concrete, bricks, pavers, a multitude of compacted soil. Everything's being mismanaged on the field. The irrigation's going off in the middle of the day, short cycles. There's a lot of crabgrass starting to set into the field, and besides the poor soil conditions, the field is heavily rutted. We need about 75 yards of a compost topsoil mixture to fill in the ruts, overseed with a rye, bluegrass, 90% rye, 10% blue. And we have the field closed, so we're going to address the clover situation and spray that off. But I'm afraid to use a pre-emergent, being we have to do some summer seeding. I am going to consult with Osborne Organics on the best way to approach this field, and we'll be monitoring closely the progress as we perform our steps of action. Lincoln Landscaping, the natural choice.